Exercise A. Model. Page 80.
Good morning. Today we're going to tell you something about the White Desert in Egypt. Have you heard of this place? We'll tell you how it was formed, why it's popular with tourists, and why we would recommend that you visit this place. Let's start with some basic facts. If you look at the first slide, you'll see that the White Desert is a huge area of empty land. The White Desert National Park covers an area of 300 square kilometers. It's part of the Sahara Desert that covers much of northern Africa. The landscape looks like it's covered with snow, but it's actually sand. The area was once underwater, and the strange rock formations that you see here were created by erosion from the wind and the desert sand. Now, I'm going to hand it over to my partner, Mariam. She's going to talk about tourism in the White Desert.
Thanks, Rashid. Well, the first thing I want to say is that if you go here, you need to plan your trip carefully. There are tour companies that can take you into the desert by truck. You can see one in the slide. When you get there, you can go camping or you can go mountain biking. It's possible to explore the desert on your own, but the government limits independent travel and that can be risky. It isn't recommended to go alone. It's best to join a tour. Tour operators know the region and they know which roads to take. You may be wondering when the best time to travel is. This is the desert, and it does get very hot. The best time to go is between October and March, when the highest temperature is around 32 degrees Celsius. Whenever you go, protect yourself against the sun with a sun hat and sunglasses. Now I'll hand it back to Rashid.
You should definitely try to visit this very special place. Some of the things that make it special are related to nature. The colors change all the time because of the sun. You can see this in this slide. At sunrise or sunset, the desert has colors like orange and pink. But in the middle of the night, under the moon, it looks white. There are no lights in the White Desert, so you can see bright stars without light pollution. You can meet the local people and learn about their unique way of life. And you might even see one of the desert's animals. If you look carefully, you might see a sand cat or varieties of sheep and foxes. This slide shows 2 desert foxes. I'm going to finish with the words of Ziad Omran, who operates a tour company in the White Desert. He says, "It's so different from any place on the planet." So, please think about visiting. Thank you.